Yo, what is going on? It's your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. Let's get into it again. I think SPY is about to go crazy right now. I think it's about to hit that 667, 668. This would definitely be a great trade of the day right here. But I'm already done for the day. I already made my money for the day. So we're just gonna go over it and show you guys what happened, right? So we'll start with the watch list. Watch list, SPY. I'm just gonna be watching anyways, I said. So below 404 397. I wonder if that ever went. Let's go below 404 to 397. So that actually hit full TP, which is crazy because I waited way too long to enter. Um, this was a clean break and retest for sure. So that's okay. It's okay. As soon as this candle closed, is when you switch over to the 2 minute to see where to enter. Um, so that's kind of what caused me a little bit of a delay on the Tesla call, but we still called it out. We still ate on it. That was the first trade of the day. We have a lot in here. Tesla, there you go. Tesla 3925 put, boom, TP hit on Tesla, trimming here. So yeah, that was good. And then SPY 5658 puts, so SPY was nice. We had this reject right here, right? So we broke below 660.5, which was key level, as well as London session lows. And then we took that retest. I actually added a little early. I got my first entry filled here because I was on the 2 minute. So I was like, oh wow, like we're holding right here. Like, I'll just get in at the top. So I got in up here. And then, sure enough, it did come to my 660, which is what I told the Discord. I actually said, here comes my 660.5 level, going to add and use above 661 as a stop loss, right? So 660.5, 660 was my add. That's where I originally wanted to enter the first time. So I sized up pretty fairly. And then 661, where that other level was, that is my stop loss. So we didn't even get up there. We literally it was a perfect add and take profit, right? So right here was a trim, and then right here was full take profit. The reason why I didn't hold is because we have bullish divergence on the 2 minute, along with the 5 minute. Like we're making a lower low, but the RSI is making a higher low, as well as sitting in a demand, right? So that's what I try to tell you guys about shorting inside of a demand zone. This really like whole thing was a demand. So shorting into that, I'm not looking for 100% trade. I'm just looking to get in, get out at this sweep, right? Perfect sweep, and then boom, that was the entire retest, right? So this right here, the 658, that was perfect entry to continue to that 667, which is a huge move that I am missing out on. But it's okay. I do have slight FOMO right now. And then let's go over people that said I had some people enter the contracts at that first ad right there at 658, 659, right, 659. And so then they said when I went to go sell, they were no longer in profits. It's because the theta decay was probably eating away at it. Contracts were losing value as it came down because it wanted to go up. And I think that's what happened. So if you didn't add with me, then yeah, you probably broke even, if not lost a little bit. But this beautiful break above this high and then retest to go was absolutely incredible today. Incredible. If I just waited till noon to trade, I would have caught that whole thing. 658, 663, 660, 650. Oh, whatever. Whatever. We got our money. We don't care. Let's go. Let's go, Hood. Let's go, Hood. what? You know, we added to the long terms. All right, y'all. It's your boy Mike Lowry. Hope you learned something. Reach out with any questions, man. Any questions, comments, concerns? Let me know. This is fun. Everybody making money. I didn't even show the profits chat real quick. Boom. What? Boom. What? Hit his own trade from the one-on-ones. Boom. What? Let's go, bro. Come on. We eating out here, so take advantage of it.